Hello, I'm Mrs. J, and welcome to my math class. So, this section is section 3.3, and it's a very short section. But it's just making sure, these are called piecewise functions. Because they're broken into parts. What this is saying is when x value is less than or equal to 0, you use this function. And if it's greater than 0, you use this one. So if we look at f of 1 is greater than 0. So we would use this one. 1 cubed plus 2. 1 cubed is 1 plus 2 is 3. If we're looking at negative 1 is here because negative 1 is less than or equal to 0. So we use this function, x squared minus 1. And negative 1 squared is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. One more, 0. If we look at 0, when we plug in 0 to decide, notice this one has the equal to with it. So this is the one that equals 0. Because it's a function, it won't be in both spots. So this one has the equal to, we use this one. 0 squared minus 1 is a negative 1. Let's try another one. Again, try 0, 4, and 6. So f of 0, looking at both of these, this is the one, 0 less than 4. So 0 goes here. So we use this one. 4 minus 0 is 4. Here's a 4. 4, looking at both of them, you want the one with the equal to, because this includes 4, this does not. So it's this one we plug in here, 4 minus 4, which gives us 0. And then last one, the 6. Looking, 6 would be here because it's greater than 4. Here, 6 is not less than 4, so it's this one. 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay, let's look at a story problem. Number 48. It says, the formula that gives the wind chill factor for a 60-degree Fahrenheit temperature and a wind chill with velocity v in miles per hour is given here. So this is wind chill, and velocity of the wind is what our x value would be. Find the wind chill factor for 60-degree temperature if the wind is 20 miles per hour. That's our velocity, miles per hour. So we want to find out where 20 fits in. Well, definitely not here. 20 fits here. So we have to plug it into this equation. 0.644 times 20 minus 9.518, the square root of 20, plus 76495. Let me write that over here so you can see it better. We need to plug that in. Point 644 times 20 minus 9.518 times the square root of 20 plus 76.495. rounding one decimal place, we get 46.8. So if the speed of the wind is only 20 miles per hour, we need to have a wind chill of 46.8 to get a 60-degree day. B says find the wind chill factor for the 60-degree temperature if the wind is 65 miles per hour. So we have to look in here and see where 65 falls in. 65 is here, so the wind chill is 41. What are the, oops, I put it down the wrong spot. We're not going to graph it, because we would use a calculator to graph at least this function. You haven't learned it. What are the domain and range of the functions? Well, the domain, 0 to infinity, it can keep going. And the range would be these values. They also can be anything. I think they don't have to be positive, though. Greater than or equal to 0. But the main thing is to make sure you understand which one to use and being able to plug it in. These two are constant. So from 0 to 4, it's a constant 60. Anything above 5 or 55.9 is also a constant 41. Okay. Thank you.